Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an essential tool for students, researchers and anyone looking to find academic literature or papers online. Of course, we are going to talk about Google Scholar. We will cover first what is Google Scholar, then we will see how to use it effectively in your research, and finally we will cover some tips and suggestions to get the most of this great tool in your research. Okay, first let's get started with what is Google Scholar. Google Scholar provides a simple way to search for scholarly literature and papers. From your PC or laptop, you can search across many disciplines and sources. For example, articles, books, patents, abstracts, and court opinions from different resources, from academic publishers, online repositories, and websites. Now let's move to the second question. How do I use it effectively in my research? To get started, simply go to scholar.google.com website. The homepage looks like this. A simple, familiar Google search bar, right? But this one is especially for scholarly literature, especially for papers. Let's say you are searching for explainable machine learning. Type your keywords into the search bar and hit enter. Here are your results, right? Google Scholar sorts these by relevance, displaying the most cited or influential papers first. You can see the title, authors, publication source, and sometimes a brief snippet from the paper itself. Let's move to the third question. What are some tips and suggestions that could help me? Yes. One useful feature is the cited by link. This shows how many times a paper has been cited by other papers, by other authors, by other researchers, which can be a good indicator of its impact in the field. Now let's talk about some features that can help refine your search and make your research more efficient and much more easier. On the left sidebar, you can filter your results by time. You can select papers published in the last year or set a custom range. For example, if you are searching for papers published between 2020 and 2024, right? So this is particularly useful if you are looking for most recent studies. For more precise search, use the advanced search option. You can access this by clicking on the menu icon in the top left corner. Hence, you can search for exact phrases excluding certain words or search within specific fields such as the author, publication, or date. Let's not forget about setting up alerts. That's really very useful. This feature notifies you when new papers related to your research, to your field, are published. To set up an alert, perform a search, then click on Create Alert envelope icon on the left side of the results page. Enter your email address and you will receive notifications when new relevant papers are available. That's great. Another great feature is the ability to create a personal library. Simply click the star icon below a search result to add it to your library. You can access and organize your saved papers by clicking My Library in the top right corner of the page. Finally, don't overlook this citation tool. It's really a huge time saver for writing papers. Click the quotation mark icon below a search result to see how to cite the paper in various formats like APA, like Chicago, like Harvard, and others. You can even import the citation directly into citation management software like RefWorks or others. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, about using Google Scholar, please drop them in the comments below. Thank you and see you in the next video.